Home Remedies presents 2 remedies that work wonders on your digestion. I believe the digestive system is the core of life energy, intuition, and longevity. Unfortunately, we are turning into a bloated and constipated nation. We spend millions on laxatives, antacids, fiber, and enzymes when often a healthy diet is enough to regulate things. In today's video, I would recommend 2 remedies for a happy belly. Chia seeds. 2 tablespoons of chia seeds provide 10 grams of fiber, which reduces inflammation, lowers cholesterol, and regulates bowel function. Consuming chia seeds water in morning can give a boost to your digestion and improve bowel movement. Are you liking the video? If yes, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel to support it. That's 33% of the daily recommended intake of fiber per day in just 2 tablespoons. You can simply add chia seeds into water and keep it overnight. Drink this concoction in the morning. Another way is to drain out the excess water and use the gel-like mixture to add it in your food. Dry coriander and dry ginger. If you are suffering from indigestion, dry ginger and coriander powder may help you. Both are easily available in every kitchen. You can use it in the form of powder or whole. Simply boil 200 ml of water in a pan with dry ginger and dry coriander powder, 10 grams each. Boil the water till it reduces to 50 ml. Then sieve the decoction into a cup and drink it lukewarm. Repeat the same 2 times in a day regularly for 3 to 4 days. Coriander and ginger, either dry or fresh, are good for digestion and have no side effects. If you liked the video, hit that like button to give it more value and share it on your social networks to let others benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.